Bitcoin. It's been pumping. Everyone's so happy, so bullish. But we have untested volume weighted average prices for this entire long move. So think about it. Everyone getting long has yet to see a pullback to their volume weighted average price. Hence, pull back targets. So we expect price to decrease from basically here down to here, T1. That would be T2. So pretty much pull back anywhere into that box. Just an update on Bitcoin and its pullback targets. Our volume weighted average price pullback target zone has increased because obviously a couple days has passed. So that being said, pullback targets now here to here, which is about 120,000, 117,500. So again, expected pullback targets 120,000 as low as 117. As markets come into this zone, you'll look for little support pops in it. So this is also sell target and also support zone. And there is Bitcoin coming into our pullback targets. So our pullback target there is completing. That would be T1. T2 would pretty much be the low side of it. You can see how the market is getting bought exactly at the start of our sell targets. Because remember, sell targets are counter long starts. So let's zoom into that exact level. Again, that box to the low side are sell targets. You can see we just hit it and now bouncing. So ultimately, if we can break that down, then we'll probably be looking down there to like 117,000 some change. Bitcoin completing pullback targets. Remember, we hit T1 like last night. Now we're coming into T1.5 to T2. Again, T1.5 is a level that I have just prior to T2, but ultimately we're just going to come down to T1.5 to T2 here. And then as we come to T1.5 to T2, that's where we're going to look to see if there's any sort of little counter bounce longs. But yeah, that's how you have foresight analysis. But really what's going on is Trump tweeted something about China being hostile over rare earth metals, blah, 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 blah. So again, the market's always wanted to come back to the pullback targets, but the Trump tweet and all that stuff he's talking about today is just creating volatility to make that target happen faster. So how do we predict that Bitcoin a couple days ago would pull back to here? Because again, this entire long move had volume weighted average prices that were never tested. We take volume weighted average prices, we anchor it to specific candles on the way up. And then obviously when the market gets weakness, the first thing to do is come back and screw everyone over by going to their key volume weighted average price. Boom. You can see I'm already anchored to the high of this move, which basically means when this short move catches its footing and starts to bounce, we're going to be looking to backtrack those volume weighted average prices.